Hello all, welcome to Handpick Trade. This video is a nifty view for coming days. This is not only for next week, nifty view from now on. If you see, we have corrected around 1800 points from all-time high. So this is something that we need to start watching nifty because it had given a very good correction. So first I wanted to show you my last week analysis performance. So I have marked 17,430 as a trend deciding level. On Monday we started off very well, but then the second half itself the trend line is broken, and from then there is no close above this line, and then we started breaking every support. So my last support for Nifty was marked 16,900. People who follow Gann strategy, they know 135 and 315 are a very important angle. Number falls under these two angles will react huge. So this 16,900 is a 135 degree angle. If we maintain this 16,900, there is a huge possibility that we are still on the bull side. I'll show you this how the 16,900 have reacted in the past month. I've drawn the horizontal line for 16,900, and this is a one-day chart. On August 30th, we got a close above this line, and from then on, there is no close below this line. Even on November 29th, if I show you in 1 hour chart, you know how it had reacted. Even though on November 29th, it was trading below this number, but then even on the first hour close was above this line, and again from then on we never got a close below this line. So this is how the angles 135 and 315 works. So this was one strong point where we have no close below this 16,900. So Nifty will give us a miracle movement in coming days. But on Monday, there may be some downside because of the global market reaction on Friday, because we saw 500 points downside. So we may see a little downside, but then I'm sure it is going to close about this 16,900. And from then, it's only an upside move. So this is a bull side view which I am talking about. On Monday, if we see a close above 16,900, then the levels marked are the upside targets. In case if we see a closing below 16,900, even in an 1 hour chart, then we should start being bit cautious, because once if we see a closing below 16,900, then there is a high possibility we'll see around 16,400. Not a straight line, but then with ups and downs, we'll start seeing 16,400 till we see a close above 16,900. So this is my view, and this is why I say that we are on a bull side, and Nifty can give us a miracle movement in coming days, probably this week also. But then I can give you only a 95% guarantee, because none can give you a 100% view on trading, as you all know. So again, mark these levels like last week, mark these levels and trade with the support and resistance line. Try scalping. When we see a strong close above 16,900, then we can be a bit relaxed for our long positions. I have given my Telegram channel link in the description. Do follow us to know the levels instantly. Hope this video is helpful. Have a great day. Happy trading. See you in next video, guys.